Ciao! Welcome to Viet Language channel, and today we are going to learn how to order coffee in Vietnamese. The word for coffee is cà phê. Cà phê. Coffee was first introduced into Vietnam in the 19th century during the French colonization period. It then became really popular, and Vietnam is now the world's second largest coffee exporter. The next word is ly. Ly. That means glass or cup. For example, ly cà phê, a cup of coffee. Ly cà phê. The basic phrase that we have for ordering is cho tôi, that means give me. Cho tôi, and then you say what you want to order. For example, cho tôi một ly cà phê. Give me a glass of coffee. Cho tôi một ly cà phê. Now we have two major categories of coffee, which is black coffee and milk coffee. Black coffee is cà phê đen. Đen means black. Cà phê đen. And milk coffee is cà phê sữa. Cà phê sữa. Sữa means milk. When we say cà phê sữa in Vietnam, we typically refer to the Vietnamese coffee that's served with condensed milk. In the old days, fresh milk were not widely available in Vietnam, so the French and the Vietnamese used condensed milk instead to drink with coffee, and now the condensed milk become a distinct characteristic of the Vietnamese milk coffee. Let's talk about the temperature at which you want to drink your coffee. Iced coffee is cà phê đá. Đá means ice. Cà phê đá. And hot coffee is cà phê nóng. Nóng means hot. Cà phê nóng. So how do you say hot milk coffee? Cà phê sữa nóng. Cà phê sữa nóng. How about iced milk coffee? Cà phê sữa đá. Cà phê sữa đá. Now, let's talk about the sugar level. The word for sugar is đường. Đường. Which sugar is có đường? Có đường. And no sugar is không đường. Không đường. Less sugar is ít đường. Ít means a little. Ít đường. And more sugar is nhiều đường. Nhiều means a lot. Nhiều đường. Now, if you want to order a coffee to go, then the word for to go is mang về. Mang về. That also means to bring back. For example, cho tôi một ly cà phê mang về. Give me a cup of coffee to go. Cho tôi một ly cà phê mang về. Now that you finished ordering your coffee and you want to pay for it, you ask, how much is it? Bao nhiêu tiền? Bao nhiêu means how much. Tiền means money. Bao nhiêu tiền? And the cashier will answer, the total is tất cả là. Tất cả means the total. Là means is. Tất cả là, and then the amount of money. Now let's review what we have learned today about ordering coffee with the following dialogue. Chào, cho tôi một ly cà phê sữa đá. Cà phê có đường hay không đường? Cà phê ít đường. Bao nhiêu tiền? Tất cả là 5 đô. Cảm ơn. That is how you order coffee in Vietnamese. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Viet Language channel for more Vietnamese lessons. Cảm ơn.